Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a professional resume in Microsoft Word using free templates. So start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. You can use a desktop app or go to www.office.com to use Word online for free. On this home screen, click on New, then in the search bar, type resume and press enter. You'll see here a bunch of free resume templates ready to use. Browse through the design and pick one that fits your style. Let's say I like to pick this one. Now, click on it, then press Create to open it in a new document. Now, you can start editing. So replace the name, contact info, job title. So you're going to add your education here, your skills, your experience. So feel free to change fonts, colors, or sections to match your personality. And don't forget to keep everything clear, clean, and easy to read. So once you're done editing your resume, click this one to save your resume. So let's say we're going to save it as a resume. Now, you can also export it as a PDF by clicking this file format and scrolling down. So click PDF. Pick this one if you're going to print your resume, or this one if you're just going to email it. So this is a PDF is a perfect way to sending your resume to employers. So let's click export. And that's it. You've just created a clean professional resume using a free template.